Alright, welcome to this N8N video where I'll show you how to connect the YouTube API to your N8N, okay? So here I had a workflow, right? I just wanted to connect the credential, but I need to select the credential, enter the client ID, and so on. For this, we'll head over to Google Cloud. We'll select a project here. If you don't have one, create it, okay? In my case, I have one here, alright? Now, if you don't have any projects, just click New Project and you're set. Next, we'll go to the APIs and Services section, then to the library, and activate the API we want to use. In this case, I want to use YouTube, okay? So let's select all three. YouTube Data API, YouTube Analytics, and YouTube Reporting. Once we've selected these three files, we're going to click Enable, okay. We click Enable, Enable, and Enable, got it? Now we just wait for them to be enabled. Great, as you can see, it's enabled. Now let's go to API and Services, then OAuth consent screen, okay. You'll see I have this filled out, but basically you'll see a Start button in the center. Click Start, enter the app name, any name works. You'll enter the user support email, okay. That's the email you'll use to run N8N. This, for those who have it, you'll see it when it appears, okay. That email, for example, if you're using N8N, just enter that same email. Then you'll see a public section where you'll put external users, and in contact info, enter the same data again, okay? After that, just click finish, check the consent box, and you're done. Then you'll see on the right the option to create an OAuth client. Got it? As you can see, I have it here, and you'd also click create client, okay? In the client section, if you haven't clicked create client, as you're seeing, I go to create client, select application type, web application, enter the app name, and here we have authorized redirect URLs, add URL. The URL we're adding is this one here, okay? This auth redirect URL, we'll copy and paste it exactly as shown, alright? Then we'll just click create. Then when we do this, they'll give us the client ID that we'll simply copy and paste into our N8N. And then if we go in, which I wasn't going to do, well, okay, I'll do it. The client secret will appear, okay? Then we'll copy this client secret. It says you can no longer view or download client secrets. If you've lost the secret shown below, add a new one. Remember to store client secrets securely and handle them with great care. Secrets should never be logged or stored in code repositories, okay? So just keep that in mind. And when you have it, just click on save. And as you can see, I now have the sign in with Google option, okay? After entering the two pieces of information, right? It's showing up, but we're not done yet. So we'll go to data access and add or remove permissions, okay? We'll set this to 100, all right? Let's select all the APIs here, okay? We've selected them all. Let's also pick the other 20 and hit update, all right? Now we're just going to click save, okay? It's down at the bottom. And finally, to grant access, go to public and add user info there. In this case, I've put my contact email. Just click add users and enter the account you'll use to sign in. And there you have it. We've signed in, account connected, and YouTube's linked without issues, okay? So that's it. Simple as that. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in future videos.